Greetings! Today we will make very healthy dessert. Cut the dried apricots, 150 grams, into medium pieces to make it easier for the blender. Cut the dates, 150 grams, into the same pieces. 100 grams of walnuts. Grind them to medium size. Too fine is not an option. Sunflower seeds, 100 grams, and pumpkin seeds, 100 grams, peeled. Fry a little in a frying pan. Stir to prevent burning. I also added flax seeds, 25 to 50 grams, but you can replace them to your taste with chia seeds, sesame seeds. Roast the seeds for about 5 minutes. Grind chopped dried apricots and dates in a blender until smooth. Let's start mixing. You can do this with gloves. You should get such a homogeneous mass. Place the result on cling film and form a sausage shape. Sprinkle sesame seeds onto cling film. I fried it a little beforehand. This will add flavor to our dessert. Roll out dessert in sesame. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. When the sesame completely covers our dessert, we can roll it into cling film. Leave our dessert in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours, and if possible, overnight. Dessert is ready. You just can't imagine what a rich aroma it has. The taste is simply incredible. Did you like the recipe? Write about it in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.